Hi viewers, in this video I will see how to calculate this type building with curtain wall. Okay, let's start. I'll open the new file and go for mask. Okay, before go front view, just make this is 11 feet and make the three. Just make the 4 floors. Okay, fix this 11, 11, 11. Okay, make one more. This is floor. This all make 3 feet. This is floor. This is parking. Make parking level. Okay. Now open mask. Okay. Okay. Done. I'll go second top view. I'll make plane. This is building French and this is building back. Okay. Building with this is 40 feet. Okay. Another tunnel in center. This is make C. Okay, done. Now go to this is front or G. This is back. Okay, go to front view, south. Okay, now out reference spline view front view. Okay, now this is floor now. I'll start from here. Make 1, 2, 3. Okay, here, there. Okay, from here. Let's make nice shapes. Okay, see 44 like this building width. Okay, now this is fine. And yeah, okay, shape is fine. We have to little bit. Okay, shape fine now. Shape is up, over, down. Okay, now copy this to back side also. Now this is front. We have a little bit tilt. This is outside. This small little bit inside. Little bit distant type. Okay, now how to do this? Make bend. Setting this right here. So right. Make 5 feet inside. That's how. Okay, go to this way and move everything from the straight line because you have to C on right side view. That's why we will make like this. Do like this. Make little bit. Okay, so now it's may take too much of time to make more modeling. Okay, now it's open. Now let's join the points. One, two. Same way to join all points. Okay, now this is okay. Let's now we have to create form. Join this. Create form, and then this is to make trouble. Create form. It's not create. Yes. Let's try this. Okay, fine. Then two, 4, 5, 6. Unable to create. Create 2, 3. Let's check out. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 5. What is the problem? 2, 3. Check this. 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 5. See, this is problem. Delete this. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Create 2. Flat. Okay, done. And then 1. This is up to you how to make better. Of course, and I'll go for create how to this. You need to you want to know how to create the shape. This is the meta. Okay, now I'll go for passing for creating. You have to put thickness So wall, concrete, something. Just I'll go for wall. Okay, go for 6 inches. Select this. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. This is everything. Okay, fine. Done. This is how to make outside. Front view. Okay, and bottom. Let's go for try roof. Same 6 inches.